Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in ratio and proportion. Friends, problem is given in the description box. Friends, this problem was asked in SSCGL Tier 1 2024. Friends, the incomes of PQR are in the ratio 10 is to 12 is to 9. So, say their incomes 10x, 12x, 9x. And the expenditures are in the ratio 12 is to 15 is to 8. So say their expenditures 12y, 15y and 8y. Friends, now their savings will be income minus expenditure. Income minus expenditure, income minus expenditure. Friends, it is given that Q saves 25% of his income. So Q saves 12x minus 15y. 12x minus 15y. It is given that Q saves 25% of his income. 25% of 12x. 25% means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 12x, that is 3x. Friends, it implies 9x. 9x is equal to 15y. It implies 3 3's, 3 5's, 3x is equal to 5y. 3x is equal to 5y, or x by y is equal to 5 by 3. X by y is equal to 5 by 3. Friends, x by y is equal to 5 by 3 implies if y is equal to 3, x is equal to 5, or if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 3. Now we want the ratio of their savings. The savings of P, 10x minus 12y. 10 5's, 50 minus 12 3's, 36. 50 minus 36, 14 is to 12x minus 15y. 12 5's, 60. 15 3's, 45. 60 minus 45, 15 is to 9x minus 8y. 9 5's, 45. 8 3's, 24. 45 minus 24, 21. So this is the ratio of their savings, friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.